Hello guys, welcome to another grand interesting video on your Leansimcorp channel, and in this today's video we are going to understand about the next level in warehouse simulation model building, and that is going to be our outbound process. Okay, so the inbound process logic has already been explained and the video is already available on our channel. Take a look at that for more detail, and how to create inbound process logic is already explained there. So in this today's video, we are going to understand about how to create an outbound logic. And before we go into that, I'll just explain what the logic has to be, and then we will see how we created that in the process flow, and then we'll see that working. Okay. So now let us start creating a process flow. So if you see, here is a process flow of order fulfillment, right? So what I mentioned is the first step has to be is to create a random arriving order. Okay, this can be random, or you can have your different types of schedules or stuff like that, but we have created a random arriving order with a distribution used as exponential. So by using this distribution, we are creating tokens, and then we are basically selecting the staging area for single order. Okay? So here is the resource being created, and this resource is contained about the group members of the staging area. And if you see, a staging area group is created, picker group is created, placer groups as well. So all these groups are already created, and the resources acquired from there. Right now, once we acquire, we have assigned a token dot staging area there, where it is going to take care of we staging area. So if you see here, we have 4 tokens, right? So if you see, this is going to staging 1, this is going to be for staging 3, this is going for staging 2, and this is going for staging 4. The staging areas is a label which we have assigned there, so that we could be able to get, this is that token dot staging areas, which gets us that which staging area this token is going to go. Now this is the start for the runs of flow, finish for the runs of flow. Here if you see, assign labels. Now what we are going to do is we are going to specify which SKUs has to be placed, which SKUs has to be picked up in order of 10. Here also we have assigned a D uniform with starting from 1 to the total number of SKUs. So what we have a table for 5 types of SKUs only we are going to have. As in inbound, we are going to get 5 types of parts in our racks, and these are the quantity which we are going to get that, right? So what we do now, we just assign the SKUs. So if you see here, we are assigning SKUs. So the current round is for SKU 4. This is for SKU 4, 4 and 4. Okay, so if you see, these are all. We come in down here in the find item. Here we use a simple query where SKU is equal to token.SKU, and token.SKU is 4, right? And where SKU, this is going to be the SKU which is available in our rack. So if you click on any of the palette out there, the palette has a label SKU with 5, right? So that is what it is. So in the rack, we are going to find out that particular SKU which we need. Okay, and then we are going to pick up one part from that particular thing. So this is how the properties of yours should look like. Then what we are going to do is, here we have again a recording the information on the parent token, and this is a parent token. Okay, so order items are nothing but the item array. So we are just creating other labels. Now when you come to order picking, we are going to just create a one order. See, every operator is going to have one order, right? So we are going to have only four orders running at a time. So whenever an order comes in, we are going to have a one order, and this order has to be picked 10 times, right? In this case, it has to be 4 times. Now what I'll do is, here what we're going to do is, we are going to decide which picker it is. So the picker is nothing but the staging area center connected object. So if you see, we already have a staging area been selected here, right? Staging area 4. So if it is a staging area 4, we are automatically going to select this operator. That is what we mentioned here. So we are going to create a new thing that is to be labeled, right? As this is the syntax being used. Then we are going to go create an item which is palette in the staging area. And once that is done, I'll just show you. Probably I'll just put a bug out here, and that will be for our first order, right? And I just run this, and the token should come down here. Okay, here comes the token, right? I just stop and continue this. So if you see, when I click on this, right, you're going to get all the details being popped out here. And the picker is nothing but picker01. That is what we already labeled here, right? This is what is going to help us get that token being labeled. And here we're going to create a palette. Palette will be getting cleared. I'll just make this model slow, right? So this is how you can create, and then you can release the operator, free the areas, and again the new order is to be taken care of. This is how it works. If you have any queries related to this tutorial, let me know in the comment section below. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, do subscribe Leansimcorp, because we are going to bring in a very great advanced content related to Flexsim simulation, industry automation, and industrial AI. So stay tuned on Leansimcorp. Do not forget to share it with your friends and visit our website leansimcorp.com for such educational content. So till then, bye-bye. Stay tuned. For premium content, do not forget to visit our website leansimcorp.com, where you will be getting all these premium contents available. So talking about what things you're going to get in, you're going to get in, simulation solutions. You're going to get premium training classes for simulation stuffs. You will be getting 3ds model file support. You can buy modules. You get access to simulation case studies. You can visit our services. Also, you can visit the blogs which you're going to get. So I was talking about simulation solutions, right? You can schedule one-on-one session with us, for training and details. You can access our digital assets like learning center. Okay, so here comes the booking online environment. Talking about training classes, you can access premium training classes. Once you are going to purchase our subscriptions, you will be able to access our training classes which are listed out here, and these are continuously getting upgraded, guys. Talking about blogs, here we bring in blogs from travel experiences, health, devotionals, like industrial engineering, personality development, simulation tech, and lot more interesting and exciting. So do not forget to visit our website leansimcorp.com for premium content, blogs, and lots more.